Right, just thought I'd show you a quick demonstration of my Dalek gun system now. At the moment, as it's very messy setup here, but I've got a little 3.5 watt amplifier here with a preamplifier, obviously sound sample, and of course the switch to operate it. Now what I've done is I've actually put a selection of different sounds on as well, so just to really demonstrate that this can actually cycle through different sounds. So I'll just show this here. So that's the Genesis one. Got the Renegade Daleks from Remembrance of the Daleks there. Five Doctors Dalek. This one you can probably guess. Yep, that is the new series Dalek. I've got a few ones of this. Yeah, okay, and it's back to the beginning again. So there you go, that's it. Pretty simple system really, just a simple switch, a soundboard and an amplifier and a speaker. There you go, really not really a lot I can say about it at this stage, but there you go. Bye.